Uh, we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all messengers and prophets. After the opening prayer, it is another time and our Somali learning program. Um, I got you a letter for you today. It is K and the vowels. Like we did before, we simply place short or long before and after the K itself, right? So let's now add it the short one. It is ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. The long ones place placing the long ones after the K itself. It is ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Very simple, right? Now let's put the short and the long ones before the K itself. The K. It is ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. The long ones before the K, it is ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. How to make this sound in English? I think it is very similar with the English K. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ku. While adding the short ones, please be careful how to make all of that sounds. Now, for example, I wanted to add a to the K itself. Simply I push up, I push it up, I push all of this area up, especially where the ka comes from. The ka, here. You push up where the ka comes from, up, ka. Also the a, it is ka, ka, ka. A and a we push up. A and a we pull this area where the ka comes from. We pull it backward to make the exact K and K. All right, K, K, K. Key, in order to make the key. E, now we want to add E, right? We simply push down where the K comes from. Here we push it down little bit only. Key. You push it forward to make the ko and ko. This ku ku is, I don't know exactly how to explain it. Ku, you know how to make two. For example, you want to make two. Ta, te, to. The T and O in English too we have said, right? Now we say it ku only. The double the double U we say it ku. Examples include karan, kaka, and kursi. Alhamdulillah, shukr bil alamin. And Ka'bada, and so on. So there we finish the K lesson. Until the next lesson. في أمان الله. Bye.